Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Welcome to class 4, subject social studies, and topic is coastal plains and islands of India. Now this is the continuation of part 1. This is part 2. Okay. In the previous class, in part 1, we have learned about coastal plains of India. Now we will study about the islands of India. Now first you understand the meaning of island. Now how do you pronounce island? It is I-land. It is not island. S is silent. Okay? You will tell it as I-land. Now island means, the meaning of this is a land which is covered on all four sides with water. Okay? A land which is covered on all four sides with water is known as island. Okay, so from in the north and south, east and west, all the sides the land is covered with what? With water. Okay, now you know what is an island. Can you tell me what is a peninsula from the previous lessons? Peninsula is a land which is covered on three sides with water. Okay, now we will study about islands of India. Mostly we have two islands in India. Okay, in the Bay of Bengal we have Andaman and Nicobar Islands. These islands are in groups. There are many islands together. So Bay of Bengal is in the east, and the islands found here are Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Okay, then in the west also we have islands. Those islands are known as Lakshadweep. Okay, Lakshadweep Islands are present in Arabian Sea in the west. Okay, now you can see here, this is the map of India. Now on this map of India you can see where is Arabian Sea. Now this is Arabian Sea, and in Arabian Sea there are group of islands here. These group of islands are nothing but they are Lakshadweep Islands. Okay, see how many groups they are in. They are in many groups. So these groups of islands are Lakshadweep Islands. Now each island, see why it is called an island? Because it is covered on all the sides with water. Okay, so Lakshadweep is present in Arabian Sea, and then towards the east we have another group of islands. Can you see here? So many group of islands are here. Yes, these are the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. They are present in Bay of Bengal in the east. Okay, now we will go to the different coastal plains, okay, of our of India. Now we will study about life in the coastal plains and islands. So first we have taken this Gujarat. The capital of Gujarat is Gandhinagar. Okay, capital of Gujarat is Gandhinagar. Trading and farming are the main occupations here, and Gujarat is known for its textile, petroleum, handloom, dairy farming and diamond cutting industries. And the language spoken here is Gujarati. Next we will go to to the south of Gujarat is Maharashtra, and the capital of Maharashtra is Mumbai. And this industry is mostly famous for films. So it is a film industry is very famous in this state. And Maharashtra has large offshore petroleum deposits, and Marathi is the language spoken here. Next we will go to Goa. Goa is the smallest state in India. Which is the smallest state in India? It is Goa, and the capital of Goa is Panaji. Okay, and it is very popular for tourists because of the scenic beaches. There are many beaches in Goa, and one of the oldest churches here is very famous, that is Basilica of Bom Jesus. Okay, it is located in Goa. Next we will go to Karnataka. Now we are staying in which state? In Karnataka. So the capital of Karnataka is Bengaluru, and many other cities are also famous here like Mysore, Hubli and Mangalore. And the people in Karnataka speak Kannada. Okay, and the state is leading producer of coffee in India. To the south of Karnataka is the state Kerala, and this is also having a coastal plain. Okay, and earlier the capital of Kerala was Trivandrum, and now it is known as Thiruvananthapuram. Okay, and the state is a leading producer of spices, cashew, coconut and coffee. And fishing is also an important occupation of people here. And Malayalam is the main language spoken, and the festival celebrated here is Onam. Okay, and Kathakali, Kuchipudi and Mohiniyattam are the dances of Kerala. Lakshadweep is present in Arabian Sea, and this the meaning of Lakshadweep is 100,000 islands in the language Malayalam, and Malayalam is the common language which is spoken here. Fishing and tourism are the major industries of Lakshadweep. Towards the east of India, we have the plains there, coastal plains, that is, there is a state called Odisha, and the capital of Odisha is Bhubaneswar, and the state's name was officially changed from Orissa to Odisha. One of the largest lagoons in India, Chilika Lake, is located here. Cuttack and Puri are some important cities. Odia is the main language spoken here. The classical dance form Odissi belongs to this state. To the south of Odisha is Andhra Pradesh, and the capital of Andhra Pradesh is Hyderabad, and the language spoken here is Telugu, and Kuchipudi is a famous dance form of the state. To the south of Andhra Pradesh is Tamil Nadu, and the capital of this state is Chennai. Okay, and Tamil Nadu lies in the Coromandel coast. Marina Beach in Chennai is the longest beach in India. The classical dance form Bharatnatyam is originated here. Okay, can you see in this picture? This is Marina Beach in Chennai. This is the longest beach in India. So which is the longest beach in India? It is Marina Beach. Andaman and Nicobar Islands is a union territory of India with Port Blair as the capital. Most people speak Hindi or Bengali, but Tamil, Telugu and Malayalam are also common here. Fishing is an important occupation. It is also a popular tourist destination because of its beautiful beaches. Cellular Jail in Port Blair is an important tourist place. Okay, so we learned today about coastal plains and the islands of India. Now we will learn why are these islands and coastal plains important. Ports and harbours along the coast help in the growth of trade with other countries. Many crops grown in the coastal regions such as cashew, spices, cotton and so on along with fish are exported to other countries. Coastal plains and islands have many beaches that are popular destination for tourism. Okay, now we will come to the homework. Exercise A, B and C to be done in textbook, page number 48-49, and complete exercise D. Answer the following in classwork. Thank you.